Hi, I'm Anita. I'm sure you've been loving life with your Shark FlexBreeze high-velocity cordless and corded fan. I'm going to show you how to maintain and clean your fan. It's recommended to clean and maintain your fan once every 6 months or as needed. First, activate lock mode to ensure the fan will not accidentally turn on during maintenance. This will prevent any risk while the blades are exposed for cleaning. To activate lock mode, press and hold the oscillation button on the top of the fan head for 3 seconds. When activated, all lights on the front display will flash twice. Now you're ready to perform maintenance on your fan. We'll start by removing the fan grill. Remove the fan from the pedestal and place it on a flat, level surface. Using the Phillips head side of the provided Allen key, remove the screw located on the underside of the fan head by turning it counterclockwise. Set the screw aside. Rotate the fan grill located on the front counterclockwise to remove and set aside. If you've lost track of your Allen key, please refer to the full digital instructional booklet to see hardware specs so that you can use your own Allen key at home for this process. Use one hand to secure the fan blades. With the other, locate the fan blade cap. Unscrew the cap in a clockwise motion to remove it, then set aside. Please note that this is the opposite of the typical loosening direction. Carefully remove the fan blades by gently pulling them forward and off the center shaft. Set it aside. With a damp microfiber cloth, wipe down all the easily accessible interior parts of the fan. Once it's nice and squeaky clean, you're ready to reassemble the fan. First, replace the fan blades by carefully sliding them onto the center shaft. There's a groove in the fan blades for a pin on the center shaft. Align the blades so the pin fits into the groove. You should be able to fully see the threads of the center shaft when assembled properly. With one hand holding the fan blades in place, use your other hand to screw the fan blade cap back on. Remember, it will rotate opposite than usual. Tighten it counterclockwise to attach. Identify the lock icon on the front of the fan and the arrow on the front grille. Line up the arrow on the front grille with the unlock icon on the fan. Then insert and rotate it clockwise to fasten it to the fan head. Position the fan head on a flat level surface and use the Phillips head side of your provided Allen key to fasten the screw clockwise on the underside of the fan head. Lastly, deactivate lock mode before using the fan. To deactivate lock mode, press and hold the oscillation button on the top of the fan head for 3 seconds. When deactivated, all lights on the front display will show the startup animation. Now you're good to go. Shark has made the FlexBreeze fan simple and easy to clean and maintain to keep it running for a long time. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.